Are you a good management accountant or a great one? The difference could be costing you a promotion and a big salary increase. In this video, you'll discover the 10 key traits of exceptional management accountants, the 10 pitfalls to avoid, and how becoming a CMA can help you master them all. Let's start with the good stuff. Here are the 10 traits that set great management accountants apart from the rest. Number 1 is strong technical skills. This is your foundation. When I was a corporate controller, my solid grasp of managerial accounting principles was crucial in making strategic decisions. The CMA exam rigorously tests your accounting and finance knowledge, ensuring you have a rock-solid foundation. Number 2, proactive risk identification. Great management accountants don't wait for problems, they anticipate them. I once saved my company from a significant loss by identifying a risky investment early on. CMA exam prep equips you with advanced risk management techniques, a crucial part of the exam's content. Number 3, clear communication. You need to translate complex financial data into actionable insights. In my CMA exam coaching, I've seen how this skill can turn a management accountant into a trusted advisor. The CMA exam's essay portion hones your ability to articulate complex financial concepts clearly. Number 4, cross-functional collaboration. The best management accountants work seamlessly across departments. This broader perspective is vital for providing comprehensive financial advice. The CMA's broad curriculum covers various business areas, preparing you to work across departments effectively. Number 5, sound judgment and ethics. This is a non-negotiable. Your integrity is your most valuable asset. Ethics is a key component of the CMA exam, reinforcing the importance of integrity in your career. By the way, if you don't know me yet, I am Nathan Liao, the founder of CMAExamAcademy.com and a certified management accountant with over 2 decades of experience. I help accounting and finance professionals pass the CMA exam in 16 weeks and on their first attempt. Watch until the end to discover how to download my CMA exam cheat sheet for free. Number 6, tech savvy. Embrace new technologies. They're not just tools, they're opportunities to add more value to your skill set and company. The CMA syllabus includes the latest in financial technologies, keeping you at the forefront of industry trends. Number 7 is strategic insights. Don't just report data, interpret it. This is how you become indispensable to the leadership team. The CMA's focus on strategic financial management trains you to provide valuable insights. Number 8, continuous learning. The financial world is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest standards and best practices. Becoming a CMA instills a habit of lifelong learning, essential for staying current in our field. As a CMA, you're required to complete 30 hours of continuing education per year. Number 9, emotional intelligence. Understanding people is just as important as understanding numbers. It's a skill I've seen make or break careers. While not directly tested, the CMA's emphasis on leadership and decision-making indirectly develops this crucial skill. Number 10, active listening. Be open to feedback and really listen to your colleagues. Some of my best ideas came from truly hearing what others had to say. The CMA's comprehensive approach encourages a holistic understanding of business, enhancing your ability to listen and respond effectively. Which of these 10 traits resonate the most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now let's look at the flip side. Here are the 10 traits that can hold you back as a management accountant and how the CMA certification helps you steer clear of them. Number 1, outdated knowledge. The financial world moves fast, so don't get left behind. CMA continuing education requirements ensure your knowledge stays current. Number 2, frequent errors. Accuracy is crucial. One mistake can snowball into major issues. The CMA's rigorous testing improves your accuracy and attention to detail. Number 3, historical focus. If you're only looking backward, you're not adding value enough. The CMA trains you in forward-looking financial planning and analysis. Number 4, lack of analytical skills. Data is just numbers without proper analysis. Data analytics is a key part of the CMA curriculum, sharpening your analytical abilities. Number 5, missing forward-looking insights. Your job is to help shape the future, not just report the past. The CMA's strategic planning section equips you to provide valuable future-oriented advice to your team. If you want to learn more about the CMA and pass the exam on your first try, download my free CMA exam cheat sheet in PDF format. It includes the 9 best strategies to ace your exam, and the download link is in the description. Number 6, overuse of jargon. Clear communication is key. Don't hide behind complex terms. CMA training emphasizes clear communication of complex ideas. Number 7, poor data translation. You need to make the numbers tell a story everyone can understand. The CMA exam tests your ability to interpret and explain financial data effectively. Number 8, working in silos. Understand the bigger picture is crucial for providing valuable insights. The CMA's broad business focus encourages a comprehensive understanding of organizational functions. Number 9, ethical lapses. Even small compromises can destroy your credibility and career. The CMA's strong emphasis on ethics helps you navigate challenging situations with integrity. And number 10, resistance to change. Embracing new processes and technologies is essential in a rapidly evolving field. The regular updated CMA curriculum keeps you adaptable and open to new ideas and technologies. Which of these negative traits do you think impact management accountants the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to know. To recap, the CMA certification is designed to develop the key traits to make exceptional management accountants. That includes the strong technical skills, strategic thinking, clear communication, and unwavering ethics. It also helps to avoid common pitfalls by ensuring your knowledge stays current, your analytical skills sharp, and your perspective broad and forward-looking. If you're ready to elevate your management career, consider the CMA certification. Click the link in the description to learn more about our CMA Exam Academy program. Now, I'm going to share with you how to earn your CMA certification in 10 easy steps. Watch this next video.